Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to add, move, and delete pages on your Wix website. Managing your pages properly can really improve your site's design and user experience. So let's get started. First, log into Wix and open your site editor from the dashboard. On the left side, click the page icon to see all the pages you currently have. This list helps you visualize the structure of your site. To add a new page, click the Add Page button. You can start with a blank page or pick from a Wix template. Once added, it will appear in your page list right away. If you want to rearrange pages, just drag and drop them into the order you prefer. It's simple and makes navigation more user-friendly. To delete a page, click the three dots next to the page name, then choose Delete. Keep in mind, once you delete a page, it can't be restored unless you have a backup. With just these steps, you can easily add new content, reorganize your site, or remove pages you no longer need. Wix gives you the flexibility to create a website that fits your style and goals. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!